Hey everybody, my name is Megan Dettenmeyer, LANDFIRE Communications Lead. My colleague Randy Swati and I are trying something new out here at the LANDFIRE program. Now, we often hear from our LANDFIRE community with questions, and we are happy to answer them, but we realized we were answering a lot of the same questions. So in order to expand our reach and potentially help out more folks within the LANDFIRE community, we decided to document our thinking behind answering these questions and provide them on this platform to see if it could be useful to other people. So with that, please let us know in the comments below if this is useful to you, and let's get started. Question number 1, let's talk about working with LANDFIRE Rasters in R. Can you provide a couple tips or ideas for how folks might navigate that process?
Yeah. Great one. We made a bit of an R demo website that we can share with people. So I'll give this a go. I'll share my screen. Hold on. It's like doing weird things. Okay, here we go. Have fun editing. All right. So I'm going to go to our demo website and just give you a little tour of that. Okay, so hoping to help people use R for their LANDFIRE data work, we have started, I'll say, our demo website. So you can click on the download data tab and it will walk you through using the R LANDFIRE package to download LANDFIRE data. So first, for this demo, we use LANDFIRE map zone 35, which is in Central Texas. Megan's fun idea. And I'm going to scroll down and show you kind of what this looks like really quickly. You define the products you want, and you could list several if you wanted to. Here I've just got the LANDFIRE BPS or biophysical settings and LANDFIRE EVT or existing vegetation type data set to download. You can set your projection, which is by a well-known ID number. So 5070 is what I was using. Resolutions in meters, and then you do have to put in your email. So this code will help you download the data to your machine. Then it will unzip it, manage it, and put it into your working directory so that you can read it right into your R environment. So it's pretty slick. You don't have to use this, but it just makes it where you're just working in R and you can like streamline your work. So we also have a Prepare Rasters tab where it goes through and it will crop and mask that downloaded data. When you download the data, it comes in as a rectangle. So we wanted to crop and mask it to our map zone 35 shape. And then we build the attribute tables so we can play with them in QGIS, ArcGIS Pro, or R. So you get the pixel count per data set value. So we could, I don't know, Megan, I know you like to know what existing vegetation types are in a place you visit. So we could do that and count how many pixels are in each vegetation type using these attribute tables.
Does this code grab the attribute table for you?
It does. It grabs the CONUS attribute table that you then manage for your areas. I've
Okay.
read it in. So when you go to this website, you can download it, or I do have the URL for that as well. You make the attribute table, and then for fun, just we put in some code to make a map. So I'm going to just scroll down to the map. I like to summarize LANDFIRE data to hexagons. I think it looks cool and it gets away from zooming in too much. So these are 25,000 acre hexagons in Central Texas. So I'm going to turn off the data so you can get your bearings and turn on existing vegetation type. You know, Austin has a lot of developed roads. That's not surprising. And then as you move out to the east, there's a little bit of hayland. Anyways, I'm getting caught up in the EVTs. Yes, Megan, we do have R code to help people. We use the Terra package, and we're happy to help people do this if they don't like the website or want to try something different or try working with us in person.
So if they wanted to customize specific layers that they wanted to visualize in those hex hexagons, they can do so in the code, correct?
So using our LANDFIRE package, you can get any of the LANDFIRE data sets you want. We do not have code posted yet for any other data sets, but I think you can figure it out. If you're used to R, you could figure out how to build the attribute table and do this work for fuels or existing vegetation cover, one of the many other data sets LANDFIRE serves up.
Sounds great. And if people want more information, they can leave a comment below and let us know what they'd like us to talk about next in our Friday Randy Roundup. What?
Randy Roundup,
Well, you are from Arkansas, so they probably have those there.
Arkansas. Yeah, probably.